ladies and gentlemen. Tell us what you're going to do.
Hi guys. Our left going up is here. Come on. It must be dangerous.
Oh, that looks dangerous. I think you better be careful.
Hi guys. It's easy.
Have you tried doing that before?
Yeah. Climb walking, yes.
Uh-huh. Careful, ha? Hinay lang.
I know. Can you get me down?
You want to
Put me up. Put me up.
Aha. Uy, kakuyaw ani. Uy, musugot sa imong mami ani.
Kami.
O, kana. Uy, sus kakuyaw. Hinay ha, hinay. Okay. He made it safely. Ang murag lubot akong na video. Okay, come here. Luxa, what will you tell your friends?
It was so scary and I can't do this every time. It's so scary. It's dangerous for kids.
Okay, so thank you. Bye, JN.